Get trained with PhD holders and the alumni faculties of the IIMs. Our unique 2-phased and 7 rounds of trainings will boost your strategies, and then there is a special test round to ace the exam with the confidence. Hi everyone, do you want to conquer the CAT exam and want step into the prestigious IIMs? So what are you waiting for? Get trained with us and have an experience of the world-class CAT exam prep. Get trained with the esteemed PhD holders and the alumni faculties of the IIMs. Our unique 2-phased and 7 rounds of trainings will boost your strategies from foundation to the advanced level, so you reach your highest potential. Kickstart your journey with the first basic round, laying a strong foundation, and then elevate your skills in our intermediate round. Master complex problems in the advanced round, and then there is a special test round to ace the exam with the confidence. Not only this much, every question, every doubt would be addressed in the daily doubt session. Learn in the small batches, ensuring personalized attention and interaction. Wait, there is more. You also will have chance to interact with the last year toppers and get the guidance from them. Get the access to the full study material, including 5,000 practice questions, 500 sectional tests, and 51 full-length tests, including deep analysis. And all of this at very low cost. So what are you waiting now? Just go and get enrolled and get the free study material to boost your preparation. Your IIM dream is just a call away. Just give us a missed call on this given number and visit us at verbalhub.com.